Good morning, children. Today we are going to see new lesson. The name of the new lesson is Introduction to MSW logo. Life is changeable and nothing is constant. This is the law of birth and death. This situation will change soon in God's grace. Be prayerful to God. Can we move to today's session? The full form of MSW logo is Microsoft Window logo. Logo is a language understood by the computer which is used to draw fingers and solve mathematical problems. As a human, we use many different languages in order to talk to each other. Some use Tamil, some use Hindi, some use English, others use Urdu, and so on. Tamil is our mother tongue, so mostly we are using Tamil language to interact with others, isn't it? Similarly, in order to talk to the computers, we have to use a language. Yes, of course. Unlike the human beings, the computer cannot talk in Tamil, Hindi, English, or Urdu. So, to interact with the computer, we have to use a particular language which the computer can understand. There are several computer languages like Java, C, C++, Basic, Pascal, Logo, etc. that we can use in order to communicate with the computer. Logo is one among the computer languages. It is a simple and popular computer programming language. It helps children to learn the basic techniques of computer programming language and it is very easy to learn. Are you ready to learn this program, children? The word logo was derived from the Greek word logos, which means logic. It stands for language of graphics oriented. Yes, of course, it is a simple computer programming language which is mainly used to produce graphics. It was developed by Daniel G. Barbro, Seymour Babbitt, and Cynthia Solomon at MIT, USA in 1967. Logo is considered to be a flexible language. We can use Logo to draw pictures and do some calculations. Through this chapter, we will learn about starting MSW logo, the main window, commander window, logo terms, closing logo window. First, let's see starting MSW logo. To start MSW logo, click on Start button, select all programs, click on Microsoft Windows logo, select Microsoft Windows logos from the options. How to start and exit logo screen, what about main screen, commander screen, execute button, everything I have explained in the practical video. Just to see that video. This is MSW logo screen. This screen will be divided into two parts. They are main window and commander window. Main window, it is the largest area above the commander window where the output is shown. There is a small triangle on the graphic screen is called the turtle. Turtle is also known as on-screen cursor which moves in various directions in the logo according to the commands given by you. Next one part of the screen, commander window. It is the small area below the main window. You can type commands here. Based on these commands, the turtle moves in the main window. Commander window has three important components: command input box, output or command recall list box, and execute button. Command input box is also known as text box. It looks white in color where you type commands in and execute them by clicking on the execute button. Next one, recall list box. It is the gray area that shows all the commands that are being executed. Commands can be executed by clicking on the execute button or by pressing the enter key on the keyboard. Okay children, how to close logo window? It's nothing. To close logo program, click on File tab, click on Exit. Children, those who have system at home, please install this program in your system because I will send practical videos. So you want to do all the practicals. So please install this program in your system. Those who don't have, don't worry. Just you listen all the videos carefully. Then write all the important points in your computer note or book. I repeat, Logo is a simple computer programming language. It helps children to learn the basic techniques of programming. We can use Logo to draw pictures and do some calculations. Logo screen is divided into two parts, main window and commander window. The main window is the place where the output is shown. There is a small triangle on the screen. It is called the turtle. Commander window. It is the small area below the main window. You type commands here. It is divided into two parts. Command input box, recall list box. Command input box is a bar, white in color, where you type commands. Recall list box is the gray area that shows all the commands that are being executed. Children, I hope you have understood today's portion. If you have any doubt, you are always welcome to ask me. Then don't forget to install this program in the system, children. Thank you. God bless you. Enjoy this day.